We are going to start sample paper. So write down. This is a standard sample paper. Okay. Mathematics standard के लिए है. So see the first one. You know very well. This sample paper is based on 2021 examination. That is first 16 question is of 1 marks. Okay. So write down. Write a prime number greater than 91 but less than 100. That's a very easy question. Write a prime number greater than 91 but less than 100. This is the question. Okay. So write down. Which one is the number greater than 90? 97, 93. कौन बता रहा है अलग अलग? 91 से ग्रेटर है एंड 100 से लेस. 93. दिस इज नॉट अ नंबर. ओके. प्राइम नंबर 93 नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसके आगे भी तो हो सकता है. सो दिस नंबर इज 97 विच इज ग्रेटर देन 91 एंड less than and greater than. So this is the prime number less than 100 and greater than 91, less than 100. Next question you write down. Find a zero of the polynomial x cube minus 8. Find a zero of polynomial x cube minus 8. Write down. Find a zero of a polynomial x cube minus 8. वैसे तो 3 zeros होंगे लेकिन actually 2 zeros are real zeros. One zero is a real zero, another may be not a real number. That's why only a zero of पॉलिनोमियल. एक ही जीरो पूछ रहा है इसको. हाँ क्या होगा बेटा? बिकॉज x क्यूब माइनस 8 क्यूब मीन्स 2 क्यूब. सो x माइनस 2 एंड विद इन अदर ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस ax होता है ना 2x. x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 4. अंडरस्टूड? So from this you will get a 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x equal to 2. That means 2 is one of the zero of this polynomial. Clear? Okay, next one. Done? Next you write down. Write a quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is. Write a quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is minus 1 by 4 and product is 1 by 4 and product of zeros is 1 by 4. Okay, solve it. With alpha plus beta is given minus 1 by 4 and alpha beta is given 1 by 4. So required polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus of alpha beta. So x square minus of minus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4. So x square plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So this is 4. So 4x square plus x plus 1. So 1 by 4x square plus x plus 1. So this is the polynomial. Which one? Except constant. This 1 by 4 except 1 by 4. All other is polynomial. X square plus बेटा दिख रहा है सबको पीछे बैक साइड में? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 1. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x x square plus x plus 1. This is the required polynomial.
So we can do by that also, no? Minus
Okay.
by and 6.
Find the roots of the quadratic equation root 3x square plus 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Find the root of the quadratic equation root 3x square minus 2x minus 3, root 3, okay? So please try to solve. See, root 3x square minus root 3. So this is 3x square. So split the middle term minus minus 3x plus x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Root 3 is common. Root 3x is common. So this is x minus root 3 plus 1 is common. X minus root 3 is equal to 0. So x minus root 3 whole is common. This is root 3x plus 1 and this is equals to 0. So either x minus root 3 is equal to 0 or root 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this either x is equal to root 3 or x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Okay? Note down. Okay, next question, see. Find the 15th term of the AP x minus 7 comma x minus 2 comma x minus x plus 3 comma dot dot dot. You have to find the 15th term. Okay, so please try to solve. You know x a is here x minus 7, d is what? X minus 2 minus of x plus 7. So this is 5 now. So t15 is nothing but a plus 14d. So a is what? X minus 7 plus 14 into 5. X minus 7 plus 70. So x plus 63. This is the 15th term. Here, note down. Now next one. Find the discriminant of the equation. Find the discriminant of the equation. Find the discriminant of the equation x plus 1 whole cube is equals to 4 minus x plus x cube. You know, this is not a cubic equation, this is actually quadratic equation. After solving, you will get a quadratic equation. Then find discriminant. What is discriminant? Comparing with the a, b and ax square plus bx plus c, you will get the value of a, b and c. Then b square minus 4ac. This is the quantity known as discriminant. Okay? So find it. See the solution of this question. First you expand it. X cube a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is equals to 4 minus x plus x cube, and this is cancelled out. This is 1 plus 3x square plus 3x is equals to 4 minus x. So this is nothing but 3x square, 3x plus x plus 4x, and 1 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Now comparing the equation 1, comparing equation 1 with ax square, general equation, that means general quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equals to 3, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to minus 3. So discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So b is what? 4 square minus 4 into a, 3 into c minus 3. So 16 plus 36. ठीक है 52 आ रहा है बेटा? Okay, so this is the discriminant of this equation. Okay, so next you write down. ये नोट करना है बेटा? आ गया सबको? Okay. Next one you write down. Write the next term of the AP. Write the next term of the AP. Three plus 3 root 2. 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus dot. Sorry, that means comma dot. Okay. We have to find the next term. So simply it is 3 plus 4. Clear, right? Now next one. Solve for x and y. 7. Solve for x and y. X plus 2y is equals to 9 and 2x minus y is equals to 8. And I hope you can solve this equation. Okay, so please solve. So write down next question. Obtain the condition for the points. Obtain the condition for the points a comma 0, 0 comma b, and 1 comma 1 to be collinear. To be collinear. To be collinear. Okay, so find it. Supposed to be x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay, x1 is a, x2 is 0, x3 is 1, y1 is, y2 is, y3 is. Now if above points are collinear, then if above points are collinear, then what will we will have a condition 1 by 2, that is area of triangle. This should be 0. So this is 1 by 2. क्या होता है x1 y2 minus x2 x3 y1 minus y2, this is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 तो ऐसे ही 0 हो जाएगा बेटा, सिर्फ यही बचेगा. So x1 is what? A, y2 b minus 1 plus x2 is 0, y3 is 1 minus 0 plus x3 1, y1 minus y2, that is 0 minus b, this should be 0. Okay, so this is nothing but a b minus a plus 0 plus minus b is equals to 0. So ab is nothing but minus a minus b is equal to 0. So a plus b is nothing but ab, या a plus b minus ab is equal to 0. This is actually condition that they should collinear, है ना? Clear है? Okay बेटा. So please try to solve more questions. So thank you.